Hey guys, what's up? I hope you had good day today. So in this video, let's consider the trade options that we have for tomorrow. That is 30th of January 2020. Right. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let's start with basics. Let me tell you one thing. This slide I'll continue to keep this in every video that I make, because it is essential that we understand these basics far better. Okay, so it should be like our another nature, all right? Otherwise we would not be succeeding in the share market. So let's just talk briefly about it. The first one is your psychology. I mean, how do you control your emotions and things like that. And then you should have utmost patience, right? And the next one is you should stick to rules. Okay, if you stick to rules, eventually you'll understand that you can deal with the uncertainty that share market brings with it. All right, so when I say you should stick to rules, I am referring to candlesticks, I am referring to stochastics, keeping stop loss and target, and then again going back to the first two steps, right? I mean, patience and controlling your emotions. So you should work on this far more than anything else if you are to succeed in share market and in life in general, isn't it? And this is the famous quote that's goes around when you talk about the stock market, isn't it? What does it say? The stock market punishes the impulsive and impatient, and it invariably rewards the disciplined and patient guy, a guy with patience, right? So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Please pay attention to it and work on it. Okay, so if you don't work on it, you'll end up losing money. Mark my words. All right, now going to the next slide, I thought I'll just briefly consider previous day's call. So I'll continue to add this slide even if the trade goes against my suggestion. So I'll not skip it if the trade goes against my suggestion. Okay, so I'll ensure that I'll add it. So what was suggested yesterday? What was suggested for today in my yesterday's video? So I had suggested for Muthoot Fin with buy. The spot price yesterday was 756, and today when the market closed, the spot price is 761. It had touched an intraday high of 769, and the low number was 757. So it never hit the stop loss of 745 to 747. I know I had marked it as 747 yesterday, but we can take it as a range 745 to 747. So it didn't touch it, and so it's a good call, I would say. And please do let me know if you don't think so in the comment section. And what is the verdict? I encourage you to hold it till the target set, so 795. So here I'm working on a strike rate. So what is this strike rate? I'm just trying to collate every single suggestion that I make, and in that how many numbers I've got right and how many times I have got it wrong. So I'm just working on it. This is very rudimentary data, you can say. I can't technically claim success here, but I'm just added it. I'll work on it and then I'll come up with a better strike rate, logic. So in summary, I had suggested Muthoot Fin yesterday, and it is sticking to the trend, so I consider it a success. Very basic. Okay, so coming to the last slide, that's for tomorrow. So I would suggest HDFC Bank buy. The current spot price is around 1236, right? So let's discuss stop loss and things like that before we get into the details. So the stop loss would be 1210, and then the target would be 1300. And what is this triple R? Let me make it large. Okay. So the stop loss is 1210, target is 1300, and this is triple R is reward to risk ratio. So the reward here, if you see, from 1236 we are aiming for 1300, so that's a 64 point increase, and the stop loss is around 26 points, right? So that's your reward to risk ratio. So it's a good ratio. I mean, anybody would say that it's good if the trade goes according to your expectation. If it doesn't go, well, hard luck, my friend. So why now coming to why I think HDFC Bank is a good bet for tomorrow. So let's consider these 5 factors. So the first thing is fundamentals, as I was saying yesterday. So it has given 20% returns in the last year, and you must be knowing, if you are a trader, that it has the highest weightage in Nifty 50 index. Okay, so if this bank goes haywire, God save all of us. Okay, so it has highest weightage, I guess about 11% in the Nifty 50 index. So its price was 1061 in December 2018, and now it is rather in December 2019, on 31st of December 2019 it was 1272. Alright, so that's why I think we should be investing it. Fundamentally good company, and I think the price has come down. Now coming to the news, the same old news, coronavirus. And then if you observe yesterday's US market and today's Asian market, the trend has been reversed from bearish to bullish, you can say, right? Maybe if US, this is just my opinion, okay? I mean, I'm not saying this is foolproof. I just hope that US continues in the bullish mode today as well. Okay, and then coming to equity specific news, the results have been announced recently. Nothing specific to worry about, though the results didn't meet the street expectation. That's the reason why it actually came down from 1305 to 1210 or something, right? So no need to worry about equity specific news. There's nothing much to there. Now coming to candlestick patterns, let me open the chart here. I have it here, right? So this is what it is. So if you see here, the market, there's a sign of reversal here. Though the market fell pretty badly yesterday, about nearly a percent, 1%, it still managed to hold on, right? There's a indecision here, and since it is bullish, I'm pretty much hopeful of a reversal, and it did happen today. Okay, if you see here, the bulls seem to have entered here. It opened at around 1225. There was a gap up, and then it closed at around 1235, and the intraday hit high was 1242, and then the intraday low was 1222. So I hope it continues to move up in the days to come, right? And the stop loss here would be this one, the low of this candle, the candle that refers to 28th of January 2020. So if you see here, the low of this candle is 1213. So I've just given some margin, so I've kept it as 1210. Okay, so that's about candlestick patterns. Now coming to stochastics and volumes. So if you see here, the stochastic says that it is oversold, and it is in below 20 for quite some time, last 4-5 sessions. So currently it is saying 12. So it is clearly oversold conditions in terms of trading. Okay, so I'm considering 21 sessions for stochastics, so oversold. And if you see volumes are not bad, okayish, that's what I'm saying, right? So it's good. It would have been great if we had volumes like this one here, the long candle, green candle. I mean, that happened on the day when corporate taxes were slashed. Anyway, it's hard to expect such volumes every day, but this is not bad, right? So let's go ahead and consider that stochastics and volumes are backing us. Alright, so that's it for today. And lastly, the postscript note. So market investments are subject to risk. Please don't abuse me if your trade goes wrong tomorrow. Okay, so if something goes wrong with the global markets, and if Nifty decides to go down, this is the share that goes down first because it has the highest weightage. It is not necessary that it should go down, but it usually happens like that, right? So it has, if Nifty goes up, I mean, this would be major contributor mostly. Okay, it need not be like that, but That's how it usually happens. All right. So yeah, as I have mentioned it, I have no intention to hurt your capital. Okay. So please keep that in mind, and happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.